We, the women of Walmart Global Tech India, are powering the next retail disruption by creating the future of technology, sparking innovation with the heart. Through the cool stuff we build every day, we bridge the best and the next. As we celebrate the achievements of women this month, here's a sneak peek into our innovations that are accelerating the technology revolution of tomorrow.
The cool stuff that I make at Walmart is the Scan and Go solution for Mexico market. Now under COVID situations too, the customers are looking for a faster and safer way to check out so that they can save their time and also maintain social distancing. Scan and Go is built to solve this problem. The customers get option to either pay at store or pay on their phone using credit cards and leave the store with the least contact once the payment is completed. Isn't that the cool stuff?
I lead the data and software engineering efforts for e-commerce total loss prevention solution that is deployed in multiple international markets. As new capabilities and channels are introduced in e-commerce, new opportunities for fraud have opened up, which require innovative prescriptive detection tools. Risks such as refund fraud and cancelled order fraud exist, which can go undetected. Some initial solutions provided huge spreadsheets which were manually analyzed to identify exceptions. The tool that we have built provides innovative AI-driven intelligent recommendations. The tool has generated savings by detecting exceptions, improving the analysis of high-risk customers and products, and enabling investigation teams take mitigating actions.
We are building something that helps Walmart to carry the right item in right numbers through right channels so that no customers will ever walk out of our stores or e-commerce experiences without finding the things that they wanted. It is an omni-channel experience that we are trying to build, and it involves a whole lot of decision-making tool, decision support systems and experiences, predictive modeling, a whole lot of data engineering and science. The tools that we are building are going to help the merchants to find the right item, place them in the right place, and eventually do the whole merchandising journey through our one-stop solution.
We at Walmart build great technology solutions. This is known to the world. But we also build great tech solutions for our associates. In the last 1 year, especially since the pandemic has started, we have had so many people joining us virtually, so many queries that they want that are to be answered, so many onboarding activities that are unaware of, and here is where we come into picture. Me and my team have been building great digital solutions for our associates through the last 2 years. We have a chatbot that's in place that helps them with their queries. We have an onboarding solution that's in place that helps them have a smooth journey into the Walmart company. And we also have various other digital solutions that we have built for our HRs and our associates.
I spearheaded efforts to refine the predictions for a major data science product meant to classify the items present across a diverse set of Walmart markets to a unified hierarchy. For this, I first built a solution which enables our sourcing managers to search for an item hierarchy using relevant keyword and retrieve related hierarchies. This in turn enables the correct selection of hierarchy plus generated the useful user feedback. Then to enhance the performance of our product, I applied statistical and deep learning techniques on the collected user feedback. Glad to note that this solution is currently helping sourcing managers across market to easily search for items in their portfolio.
I lead a team of data scientists in personalization team focused on building recommendation solutions for making customer journey more seamless. One such product that we've built is called Smart Substitutions. Imagine a customer places an order for ingredients to bake a cake, and the eggs ordered are occasionally not available at the time of fulfillment as the grocery orders are fulfilled from the live stores. This can create holes in the customer basket. To solve this challenging problem, we have built a graph-based recommendation solution which can help in identifying the closest substitutable item given the customer context. This advanced deep learned solution helps in increasing customer satisfaction and faster decision making for associates. Really proud of the cool stuff that we are doing here at Walmart.
Who are we? We are creators, innovators, architects, technologists, and engineers, redefining the future of technology.